ready to unlock Canada's version of secure digital document storage. Let's dive into DigiLocker and ensure you're using it the right way. First, download the DigiLocker app from your App Store. Make sure you are downloading the correct version for Canada to avoid any issues. Next, you'll need to sign up or log in if you are a new user. You'll be asked to link your account with a valid form of identification, such as your social insurance number or your provincial ID. This is to confirm your identity and comply with Canadian privacy laws. Security First, DigiLocker uses OTP verification to confirm your identity. A one-time password will be sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter this to proceed to the next step. DigiLocker employs encryption to protect your data, both while it is being transmitted and when it is stored. This ensures that your documents are unreadable to unauthorized parties. Now, you can upload and store your important documents like driver's licenses, SIM cards, or any other verified document. Always double-check the file format and size requirements to ensure a smooth upload. DigiLocker also allows you to directly access documents issued by various government agencies. These are digitally signed and authentic, eliminating the need for physical copies. Always review your privacy settings, understand what data you are sharing and with whom. Remember, you are in control of your digital locker. Enhance your account protection by creating a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized access. Here's a quick security checklist. Always use a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication. Review your privacy settings regularly and keep the app updated to the latest version for the newest security patches. That's how to use DigiLocker safely in Canada. By following these best practices, you can securely manage your documents and control your digital identity. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.